I should say that I will come not one time, more than that, I guess so.
Hi guys,
Hello.
what are your names?
I'm Neshma.
I'm Azmeena.
Is this your first time in Manabe?
Yes, it is.
And how was it so far?
Oh, it's very, very good. And I should say wonderful.
So
Yay.
which one was your first ride that you tried when you came here? Which one was it?
The first ride was the biggest ride we could ever go. But my favorite ride, I want to say, it was surfing. Because
Oh.
I've been to many other water parks, but I've seen the surfing only in Bangkok. So in Bangladesh, this is the first water park I experienced the surfing, and it was amazing experience.
Okay. How would you describe your full experience in 3 words?
I loved it.
Okay.
Wonderful, clean environment, plus everybody is friendly here.
What was the part about Manabe that would make you come back one day? Like what
All
was-
the rides and the decent public. I should say that I will come not one time, more than that, I guess so.
Oh wow. So would you recommend us to your friends and family?
Definitely, yes.
So
A big yes from my side as well.
okay, thank you so much. Thank
You're
you very
most
much.
You're most
Thank you.
welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.